Kamusta? Nandito muli tayo upang mag-aral ng math. Ang topic natin ngayon ay graphing linear equation using table of values. Maraming paraan sa pag-graph ng linear equation. So, ang isa dito ay paggamit ng table of values. So, ano ba yung table of values? So, pag sinabi nating table of values, isa itong listahan ng numbers that are used to substitute one variable, such as kapag ginawa natin to, mahahanap na natin yung value nung isa pang variable o kung ano man yung nawawalang number. So, ang table of values natin, pwede siyang isulat na as a horizontal table or as a vertical table. So, narito yung steps sa pag-graph ng linear equation gamit yung table of values. So, una, we find at least 3 ordered pairs to satisfy the equation. Then, we plot the points and draw a line through the points. Pwede tayong pumili ng tatlong value ng x para mahanap natin yung corresponding value of y using substitution. So, usually ako, ginagamit ko tong value na to. So, actually, it's not 3 points, so it's 5, no? Pero okay lang kung 3 lang ang kuhanin yung ordered pair. So, bakit ko ginagamit itong value na to? Kasi, dito sa values na to, meron na tayong positive, that's 1 and 2. Meron tayong neutral, that's 0. And then, meron tayong negative, so that's 1 and negative 2. So, it's up to you if you're going to use this, or pwede rin namang mag-assign kayo ng sarili nyong tatlong value ng x. So, subukan na nating mag-solve. So, ang given natin ay 2x plus y equals 5. So, again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, mas comfortable ako gamitin itong table of values na ito. So, we're going to use that. So, when x is negative 2, so 2x plus y equals 5. So, isa-substitute natin yung value ng x which is negative 2. So, that becomes 2 times negative 2 plus y equals 5. So, alam naman natin na 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So, plus y equals 5. And then, we isolate no, yung y. So, we add 4 to both sides of the equation. Since negative 4 plus 4 is 0, we bring down y and then we add 5 plus 4 which is 9. So, alam natin na when x is negative 2, the value of our y is 9. Therefore, our first ordered pair o point is negative 2 and 9. Okay? So, how about a positive 1? So, let's take a positive 1. So, when x is equals to 1, so, again, we have the same equation, but this time, we substitute 1 to x. So, 2 times 1 is 2. So, we just copy y plus y equals 5. And then, again, to isolate yung y, we subtract negative, or we add negative 2 to both sides of the equation. So, that becomes, so that 2 minus 2 is 0. So, y equals 5 minus 2 is 3. So, alam natin na kapag ang x ay equal sa 1, then y is equal to 3. Therefore, our second point is 1, 3. Finally, kunin natin yung 0, ang value ng x. So, again, we substitute. So, that is 0 plus y, or simply y equals 5. So, our third point is 0, 5. Ngayon, if you want, you could solve for negative 1 when x is negative 1 and you will arrive with 7. And when x is 2, you will arrive with 1. So now we have 5 ordered pairs and we are ready to graph them. So, this is our first point, negative 2, 9. Our second point is 1, 3. Our third point is 0, 5. So, if we're going to plot them, so, negative 2, ito yon, and then positive 9. So, if we're going to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, nandun siya. More or less, ayun siya. Sa tapat ng negative 2 at saka positive 9. Yung second point, so ito, so 1, positive 1, so nandito sa x, and then positive 3, so more or less here. Ayan. And then, for the third point, 0 and 5. So, 0 lang sa x, and then 5 sa y. So, more or less, ayan. So, kanina, we solve 2 more points. So, that's negative 1, 7, and 2, 1. So, interestingly, kapag ginrap nyo yun, it still lies along the line that we need to draw. So, alam naman natin that it only takes 2 points to make a line, but it is necessary o kailangan mag-plot tayo ng third point when graphing linear equation just to check if it will really form a line and not a curve. Salamat sa pakikinig. So, mag-aral tayong mabuti. Hanggang sa muli!